What's up, guys? It's Austin with Austin Makes Stuff again, and today, we're doing a tool unboxing. So, this week, we've got the Kreg Jig K4. I'm not going to tell you what all that this jig does specifically. I'll have another video for that. But for this one, I just want you to see what you get whenever you open up this box. Right from Kreg. All right, well, let's get into it. Alright, so it looks like we got a CD, the pocket hole solution to trim carpentry. Ooh, alright, have to check that out. Got a booklet, some stuff, and an owner's manual. Alright, here's the actual jig itself. And from other videos that I've seen, this wasn't put together yet, so I'm kind of pleased that I don't have to put this together. And let me show you what else it comes with it. All right, we got another little box inside of this one. Let's get rid of this box. All right, so it came with like a little sample pack of some screws, some pocket hole screws. It came with the wooden plugs, came with the collar and an Allen wrench. And then this should be the driver and the drill bit. Oh, this was the drill bit. I didn't see the driver down in here from where I was at. So there's the driver and the drill bit. So this collar will go on this driver, and it basically just tells you the depth. Anyways, like I said, I'll show you how to use this thing in another video, but for now, I'm just kind of going through it. So this is the spacer block. I'm gonna go ahead and open up these screws just so you can see everything. All kinds of little sample sizes. So we got different size screws depending on the different type of thickness. And most of this is depending on thickness. You can see the different markings here. There it is. So this is everything that comes with it. So when you're putting this sucker away, here's one cool thing that I saw on Instagram is that you can keep these under here. Hear it click? Awesome. I think it's kind of like a little hidden gem. You just click these in here, and those are basically kept up for you. And what I would probably do is put the collar on there to store it. And then that thing you can just put away. For anyone curious about what this is made out of, I would say it's a plastic, but it's a super hard plastic made in the USA. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check the description for a link to buy this K4. I think every beginner woodworker needs one of these. It's kind of the first step in joinery in woodworking. As far as anything where two boards join together, I think starting out woodworking, this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it and one of the safest ways to make sure that your joints are strong. Obviously, there's some more advanced techniques as far as box joints or finger joints and dovetails, but for now, I think it's important just to get started, you know, and it takes a long time to learn some of those things. So just get started. This is what you need. And like I said, check the description. If you haven't already bought one, I highly recommend that you do.